Today we're going to look at forming quadratic equations. So the first example, this question, it says form a quadratic equation from each of the following pairs of roots. So we're actually working backwards through these ones. So what I have is I'm told these are my roots, okay? So basically you write down x is equal to 3, x is equal to 7. Okay, and I want to get my quadratic equation. So usually we start with our quadratic, and we were doing the minus b form the last few days with it. This time I'm actually working backwards. So I have x is equal to 3, x is equal to 7. Now I bring this over here, so I have x minus 3, okay, and I have x, bring this over, minus 7. These are factors. To find my quadratic equation, then I multiply my two factors together. So I have x minus 3 bracket x minus 7. Okay, multiply them together. So this will be a bit of revision as well on multiplying in algebra. So I split my brackets. So it's my first term, which is x, times everything in my second bracket, x minus 7. My second term, which is minus 3, times everything in my second bracket. Okay, x times x, x squared, x times minus 7, minus 7x, minus 3 times x, minus 3x, minus by minus give me plus, and that's 21. Then I have my x squared minus 10x plus 21, and that is my quadratic for the first one, okay, equals 0. I'm going to now do the minus 5 and 0 one. Okay, so I first of all let x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to 0. I bring this over, so this time it's going to become x plus 5 is a factor, and then this is just going to be x is a factor, because if I bring over x minus 0, it's the same thing. Okay, so these are my factors. Then I need to multiply my two factors together to get my quadratic, so I have x plus 5 bracket x, x times x, I get x squared, 5 times x, 5x. That's my quadratic. Okay, so that's how I form a quadratic equation using pair of roots.